Need to pass the GSI police exam? You found the right video. Hello, I'm Sergeant George Godoy, and today we'll explore the Guardian Selection Inventory exam. The Guardian Selection Inventory, or GSI, is a comprehensive tool designed to find candidates best suited for today's law enforcement and corrections roles. The GSI is challenging because it goes beyond basic skills testing. It focuses on traits like sound judgment, emotional stability, intelligence, and strong character. The test is 3 hours and 15 minutes long and covers 4 critical sections. First, behavioral characteristics and attitudes, 85 questions that assess your personality traits and work attitudes. Second, more behavioral characteristics and attitudes, an additional 48 questions diving deeper into your behavioral profile. Third, cognitive ability, 50 questions testing your mental aptitude and problem-solving skills. Finally, situational judgment, 24 questions where you'll demonstrate how you'd handle real-world law enforcement scenarios. The combination of behavioral assessment, cognitive testing, and situational judgment makes the GSI uniquely challenging. Most applicants need focused preparation across all 4 sections to succeed. Don't let poor preparation end your law enforcement dreams. Get the top-rated GSI Quick Prep course with over 1,000 5-star reviews. The course includes stimulating tutorials for all test sections, hundreds of online practice questions, best practices for behavioral assessments, and lifetime access, plus bonus courses on polygraph, psych exam, and oral interviews. Click on the link to get started. There is also a link in the description and in the comments.